Imagine being a web developer. Every time you want to preview your website on mobile, you have to push it, publish it, open it on your phone. But is it even worse wasting so much time on publishing? No, obviously. But I made an app just to solve that problem. But first, let me explain my story. So, every time I wanted to preview my pre-release website on mobile, I have to publish it, view it on mobile, and oh crap, a bug. Let me code again. And I had to publish it again, view it on mobile again, and oh crap, a bug again. And I need to fix over and over again, and oh crap, I need to publish it back again. And after repeating this for a million times, I realized LAN. This is I'm not even gonna pronounce it, but this is how it works. You locate the folder, start the server, scan the QR code with your phone, and you can preview it instantly. How does it work? It uses local area network, aka LAN, to host the folder on your router. Well, where else it's gonna be hosted? Well, devices on the same network can access it. You can view it without publishing your website to a public server. And that's it. No more repeated publishing. Just no more switching devices back and forth. Just code, scan the QR code, see your website instantly on your phone. With web, I still can't pronounce my own app's name. But anyway, with this app, testing your mobile UI is fast and easy. Install the app using the link in the description. Well, unfortunately, it only supports Windows for now, so just give it a try. By the way, I'm still at 21 subscribers, so if you want to help me and help others by making the tool popular, consider subscribing. See you next time.